Here is a comprehensive expert guide on becoming a social media manager for local businesses, even with zero prior experience. Expert Guide: The Zero Experience Social Media Manager for Local Businesses. Introduction: The case study of Alex. Meet Alex. Alex is organized, enjoys scrolling through Instagram, and wants to build a flexible side hustle. Alex has zero professional marketing experience. No agency background, no marketing degree. Meet The Daily Grind, a local coffee shop. The owner, Sarah, makes the best latte in town. She's also the head baker, the accountant, and the scheduler. She knows she should be on social media, but her last post was a blurry photo from 6 weeks ago. This gap between Alex has time and is socially native, and Sarah has a business but no time, is your single greatest opportunity. Local businesses don't need a high-priced agency that talks about synergistic funnels. They need a reliable, affordable, and proactive Alex to show their lattes to the local community. This guide is your roadmap to becoming Alex and landing your first Sarah. Phase 1. Build your experience from scratch in one weekend. You can't get a client without experience, and you can't get experience without a client. This is a classic paradox. You will solve it by creating your own speculative portfolio. Your goal: create 1 to 2 mini case studies for local businesses you don't work for. Action steps: pick your clients, choose 2 local businesses you genuinely like, e.g., a restaurant, a hair salon, a bookstore. Perform a 5-minute audit. Look at their current social media. What are they doing wrong? Bad photos, no replies to comments, inconsistent posting, no bio link. What's one thing they could do better? Create sample content, the portfolio tool. Use Canva. The free version is all you need. Create 3 to 5 high-quality sample posts for each business. These posts should align with a clear goal. Example for The Daily Grind: Post 1, The Vibe, a beautiful, bright photo of their signature latte. Caption: Mondays don't have to be hard. Tag a friend you want to share a coffee with this week. Post 2, The Community, a Meet the Barista post featuring a photo of an employee. Caption: Meet Jen. She's been with us for 2 years and makes a mean caramel macchiato. Her favorite part of the job? Seeing our regulars first thing in the morning. Say hi to Jen next time you're in. Post 3, The Offer, a simple graphic, made on Canva. Caption: Study Sesh Special. Show your student ID between 2 to 5 p.m. and get 10% off any drink. We've got the Wi-Fi and the caffeine. Put it in a portfolio. Create a simple Google Doc or a 2-page PDF for each business. Page 1. A quick social media audit for business name. Show 2 to 3 screenshots of what's wrong. Page 2. How we could help. Sample content. Insert your 3 to 5 beautiful posts. You are no longer Alex with no experience. You are Alex, a social media specialist with a portfolio of ideas for local businesses. Phase 2. Finding and pitching your first client. Your goal isn't to get 100 clients. It's to get one. Action steps: make a hit list. Brainstorm 10 to 20 local businesses in your area. Look at Google Maps. Walk down your main street. Who has a dusty-looking Instagram? Who hasn't posted in a month? These are your targets. Choose your foot in the door, FITD, offer. You must make it impossible for them to say no. Option A, the free trial. I'll manage your social media for 2 weeks, completely free. If you see the value, we can talk about a small monthly package. If not, no hard feelings. Option B, the value first pitch. I've already created 3 sample posts for you that I think will get a lot of engagement. Can I send them over? The pitch: email, DM, or in person. Do not send a mass copy-pasted email. In person, phone. Best for places like restaurants, bakeries. Go during a slow time, e.g., 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Ask for the owner or manager. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a local social media specialist and I love your product. I noticed your Instagram is a little quiet, and I actually have a few ideas I'd love to share that could help bring in more foot traffic. Do you have 2 minutes? Email, DM, subject: a quick idea for business name, Instagram. Body: Hi Sarah, my name is Alex, and I'm a local resident who stops by the Daily Grind all the time. I'm also a social media manager for local businesses. I had a few specific ideas for your Instagram that I believe could help drive more repeat customers. I even put together a few sample posts to show you what I mean. Would you be open to me sending them over? No strings attached. I'm just a big fan of the shop and would love to help. When they say, yes, I'll take a look, send your PDF portfolio from Phase 1. Then, offer your 2-week free trial. Phase 3. The first 2 weeks, the trial. You got a yes. Now you have to prove your worth. Your goal: be hyper-visible, professional, and deliver immediate value. Action steps: onboarding call, 15 minutes, get goals. What is the number one goal? More foot traffic? More online orders? More awareness? Hint: it's almost always more foot traffic, sales. Get access. Get logins for their social media. Get assets. Do you have any photos on your phone you can airdrop, Google Drive to me? Go on site. This is your secret weapon. Sarah, I'm going to stop by for 30 minutes on Thursday to take a few high-quality photos and videos. Is that okay? Go to the business. Use your smartphone. Clean the lens. Take 20 to 30 photos and videos. Videos of lattes being poured, staff smiling, the vibe of the shop. Plan and schedule. Tool. Use Meta Business Suite. It's free and built into Facebook, Instagram. Cadence. Plan to post 3 to 4 times per week during your trial. Schedule. Spend 1 to 2 hours and schedule all the posts for the entire 2 weeks. This is called batching, and is the key to not letting this take over your life. Community management, the 15-minute a day task. This is the most important part. Reply to every single comment and DM. Engage. Spend 10 minutes a day as the brand. Follow 5 to 10 other local accounts. Like and comment on their posts. E.g., The Daily Grind should comment, "Looks delicious," on the local bakery's post. This builds local community and goodwill. Phase 4. Sealing the deal, getting paid. The 2-week trial is over. It's time to convert them into a paying client. Your goal: present a simple report and offer a no-brainer package. Action steps: the 1-page report. Create a simple PDF. What we did, e.g., posted 8x, including a Meet the Barista feature and a Student Special promo. What we saw: followers, +27. Reach, up 80%. Comments and DMs, +12, including 3 people asking about the Student Special. Key win: our Meet the Barista post was the most liked post in 3 months and got 5 positive comments from regulars. The package meeting. Sarah, as you can see, in just 2 weeks of consistent posting and engagement, we grew your account and had 3 people directly message about your offer. I'd love to continue this momentum. Offer 2 to 3 simple packages. Pricing is local, but never charge less than $250-400 per month for a basic package. The starter, $300 per month, 3 posts per week, content created BYU. Daily community management, 15 minutes per day. 1-page monthly report. The growth, $500 per month, 5 posts per week, including 1 simple reel. Daily community management. 1 monthly on-site content capture visit. 1-page monthly report. Start low with your first client. Your goal is not to get rich, it's to get a testimonial and a case study. Phase 5. How to grow. Once you have 1 client, you have proof. Get the testimonial. After 60 days, ask Sarah for a 2-sentence testimonial. Raise your prices. Your next client pitch doesn't start with a free trial. It starts with, "Here is a case study of my work with the Daily Grind, where I increased their engagement by 80% in 30 days. Your price for this new client is now $500 per month." Systematize. Use scheduling tools, Buffer, Later, Hootsuite, and templates. Your 1 client a week workload should only be 3 to 4 hours, total. You are no longer Alex with no experience. You are a professional social media manager with a portfolio, a paying client, and a testimonial. You just built a business from zero,